Howling werewolf.
Sitting scarecrow. Hay bale popper. It does not have any
Swinging
sound.
scarecrow.
Boogeyman. I already took you on a tour of the animatronics yesterday, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of just some of their cool Halloween props. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Over on this wall we have all kinds of skeletons of your selection. We have Pose and Stay, Flimsy, skeleton animals, Cyclops skeletons, monster skeletons, skeleton bats, skulls, different skulls, glow-in-the-dark skulls, spiders, a very rotted corpse skull up there, a smaller skeleton, two very small skeletons, bag of bones, more Pose and Stay skeletons in boxes, skeleton rats, skeleton birds, skeleton cats, another Pose and Stay skeleton, and now we're getting into a different section. So, I guess here's a skeleton parakeet. Here's a hanging head, stretchy spider webs, all kinds of animals, a dummy, Daddy Teddy's haunted lamp, gnomes, different kinds of stuff, all kinds of different signage, Creepy Carnival, which I'll be getting this year. There's some like "Come In, We're Dead" signs. I apologize for the noise and the darkness. Try to get to a different part. Quickly, I would like to point out they have the Shotgun Blast zombie, Boogeyman, animated clown, twitching banshee, sitting scarecrow, axed zombie, smoldering zombie groundbreaker, hung up zombie, reaching arm tombstone, hay bale popper, howling werewolf, another axed zombie, little skelly bones, and the grave grabber corpse, all in boxes at the moment out on display.